Hebei Xingtai Fei Yue Hydraulic Parts Factory is located in the Dalu Village Industrial Park of Ningjin County, close to Ningxin Road, Qingyan Expressway, with very convenient transportation. Our factory was built in 1985, covering an area of about 30,000 square meters. It's a factory specializing in the production of hydraulic parts. Our factory currently has 5 senior engineers, 60 professional technical workers, a sales team of 10 people, and 3 quality inspection people. Our factory has stable product quality and complete models, and has now developed into an advanced enterprise in society. We have strong technical force, complete processing equipment and perfect testing technology. It also has automated spray painting equipment. Produces BZZ series, such as 101S, OSPC, HKUS, 060, and other fully hydraulic steering units. BM series, such as OMR, OMP, OHMS, OMT, OMV, OK, OZ, BMJ, BMPH and other fully hydraulic orbital motors. Annual production volume exceeds 400,000 units. Our hydraulic products are widely used such as dump trucks, forklifts, bulldozers, loaders, excavators, harvesters, transportation engineering machinery, and agricultural machinery hydraulic systems. On the most reliable quality, the best service, and the most competitive price. Our products sell well all over the world, such as Germany, Poland, Italy, Canada, the United States, etc. Fei Yue Hydraulics sincerely invites new and old customers to work together and to create brilliance together.